Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And don't get your pennies in a wad. I'm not playing copyrighted material. This is material from the free YouTube library. And how I'm accomplishing that is I've got an MP3 player and an FM transmitter, which is transmitting to this radio, the Tecsun PL-330, and I'm using the earphone or earbud output to its big brother, the H501. Now, why am I doing this? Because I had a question about the speaker output on this radio. There was a concern that it's kind of squeaky. So we can now test it. So what you heard is it playing an MP3 file from the YouTube library into this radio via FM radio and then connected to this radio. So that's because this radio, the audio is fantastic. So let me turn it back up, let you listen to it in that configuration. Now, let me do a different file. That's the other thing that you have to consider. There's a bunch of things you have to consider. One is I'm using a cell phone to record this, so I'm using its built-in microphone, so that'll shorten or soften the fidelity. Once it gets up to YouTube, they will crunch it down, so some of the fidelity will go away. So keep that in mind. And depending on the recording that I got, it might be distorted, that's what I had a few seconds ago. So this is a pretty good recording. I'm going to turn it back up, and then I'm going to disconnect from this so that the little PL-330 is using its own speaker to play the music you're hearing. So here we go. Okay, I'm going to disconnect it. Now I have turned the volume up here. Matter of fact, the volume's at max. Okay. Whoops. There you go. It doesn't sound too bad. It doesn't sound tinny. It doesn't have a lot of volume. Now let's put that back down here. We'll plug it. Let's try a different recording. That's not very good. Make sure I still got it tuned in. Oh, there we go. I had bumped it and wasn't tuned in. Okay, listen. Not bad. Okay, come on. Is that what it's going to play? Is that intro? There, probably getting off the intro. Oh, that's not a very good one. It repeats too much. Gee whiz. There we go. That's a little distorted. Again, I know for a fact that that's distorted. There we go. Okay. That sounds, to me, that sounds fantastic. I can say the volume is not real high. Let me put it down. Now I'm going to turn the volume down because, well, let me turn the volume down on this. There. Okay, if I shut up, you could hear it. Okay, here we go. I'm going to switch over. Whoops. And turn the volume back up. Okay, this has a lot of bass. I'll switch back. It doesn't sound bad. It doesn't have the bass, of course, because it doesn't have the big speakers. I mean, please stop it or turn it down. The reason you're paying big bucks for this thing, the 501X, is it's got 4 speakers. And they're not just plain old speakers, they're high quality speakers. That's why the audio is awesome. That's what you're paying for over something like this. The little bit of testing I did as far as reception, they're about the same. But when it comes to the audio, this one blows us away. Plus it has a lot more audio. It's louder, or can get louder, than this little thing can. So to answer the gentleman's question, yes, using an external speaker such as this system right here, the audio will sound a lot better. It's got the bass that this one doesn't have. This doesn't have any bass at all. But as far as a little handheld receiver, especially for shortwave, it's fine. It works fine. And it doesn't sound bad. What do you volume? So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope that answered the gentleman's question about using an external speaker to improve the audio. It will, especially if you got good speaker system like this 501. Now I tried a couple other speaker systems. Where did I throw them? Oh, hi Annie. There's my cat. She wants to get on the on my desk, and I got all this stuff up here. What did I do? Oh, here it is. Okay, I tried this standalone.
Bluetooth mode.
Whoa, yes. Hello, Bluetooth mode. I tried this standalone speaker, and it didn't improve it that much. Matter of fact, it distorted quite a bit, going from the 330 to this distorted. Now I use this all the time as a laptop speaker, and it works fine. That's it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And have a great day. Bye-bye.